Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by creating the project. Tap New Project and pick the right aspect ratio for your target platform. Once done, import your clips, photos, and audio into the media bin so everything is accessible. Make sure to set resolution and frame rate, 24, 30, or 60 FPS, and export quality now to avoid mismatches later. You'll save time by organizing clips into folders or tracks. This immediate setup keeps your timeline tidy and editing focused. You now assemble your story. Place clips on the timeline and trim or split to tighten pacing, using ripple edits to keep sync. Then add transitions and overlays where they support the rhythm rather than distract. Adjust duration and easing so cuts feel natural. Next, focus on audio, drop in voiceover, reduce background music volume, apply noise reduction, and normalize levels so dialogue stays clear. As you work, make incremental saves and use markers to note key edit points for faster. You're at the finish line. Choose an export preset like H, 264 for web or HEVC to save space, set bitrate 815 Mbps for 1080p, then export a short test clip first. After exporting, review on the device where it will play and check audio sync, color grading, and any stutter. If something goes wrong, relink any offline media, render troublesome segments, clear the app cache, or lower the export bitrate. These fixes usually resolve common playback and quality issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.